Text, LG dryer.
How to troubleshoot venting issues on an LG dryer.
Codes on an LG dryer LED display. A graphic of the home exhaust system around a dryer. Text, intro, check for lint buildup, inspect for exhaust duct damage, more info.
If you are seeing a D80, D90, or D95 code, or flow sense indicator bars on your LG dryer's display panel, these are indicators that there is a restriction in the airflow somewhere along the dryer's venting system.
A washer and dryer side by side in a laundry room.
The dryer's hot, humid air must vent somewhere, or else the moisture will stay in the drum and clothes.
The codes on the display, then a clog in the duct gets progressively larger.
The D80, D90, or D95 codes indicate that the dryer's exhaust duct is clogged 80%, 90%, or 95%, respectively.
Behind the unit, a pipe in the wall with a yellow valve.
Note that on gas dryers, a D80 display code may indicate a lack of gas supplied to the unit.
A hand turns a valve on the pipe.
On the flow sense indicator, 2 or 4 bars mean that the exhaust system is severely restricted.
2 hours instead of 57 minutes.
If your dryer is newly installed, check for lint buildup at the rear exhaust duct, as it will cause a long drying time.
The duct clears.
Ensure that there are no blockages and that the venting system is clean.
Silver tape around an exhaust duct.
A crushed or damaged exhaust duct will also cause air blockage. Inspect the duct hose connected to the dryer and make sure it is not bent or kinked. If possible, check every section of your exhaust duct to ensure it is not crushed, kinked, or damaged.
Cracks in the upper portion of the duct.
If you see any damage on the duct hose or duct system, have it replaced.
Graphic of the home exhaust system. Red circles around 2 elbow bends.
Note that long duct runs or runs with multiple elbows, bends, or transition ducts can create problems with hard-to-trace blockages and cause long drying times.
In an animation, blue wavy lines come out of a vent.
In this case, check the exterior part of the house when the machine is running to see if exhaust air is blowing outside.
A man with a service technician. Next to a dryer, a woman shakes a white sheet. On a sofa, a woman uses a phone.
For proper inspection and repair, and if you have had the dryer for quite some time, contact a local duct cleaning or chimney cleaning company to clear any blockages.
Text, lg.com/support. Logos for Twitter, Facebook, and icons for chat, email, and telephone.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website.
This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending on its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact lg.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2022 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.
Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.